What's up you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be discussing why did I delete my Instagram app. So now it's been a bit more than 1 year since I deleted Instagram, and I have been having a really good time with myself. And let's go a little bit in the past and see where it all started from. So from the last 5 years, I think easily 5 years, I was a full-on Instagram user, and I was posting regularly. I had some following. I was, posting pictures of places and this and playing guitar and this and that. So in the beginning it was about me and just a social thing. But later what it became was that it became about the people. So now I was not posting things for me, I was posting it for the people. And for the people, not just to help people with some entertainment or something that could bring something to people. No, it was just for my ego satisfaction, that so and so person sees what I am up to, so I can feel cool about myself. And then when this got into my system, next thing was my low self-esteem. Now the people that I wanted my content to see, when they would not see it or appreciate it, that would lower my self-esteem. So it started to impact my mental health. Now it wasn't something that I enjoyed, and it wasn't something that was social and fun. Now it was something that took me closer to anxiety and mental stress. And I think overall what Instagram did to me was just really lowering my self-esteem and really making me hungry for attention. I wasn't hungry for attention, I wasn't doing any of that. But then still I didn't like how it took so much of my mental space, and just how it made me feel. Like posting was not about posting anymore. Posting was about likes, posting was about comments, and posting was about being seen. So yeah, when I realized that I am just a monkey dancing in front of these judges who have no qualification of being judges, who are judging me to see how cool, how trendy, how this and that I am, then I was like, this is something weird and this is not making me feel good. So last year I decided that I have to end this pattern. I have to end this unnecessary external need to get validation. I needed to make a stop to that useless judgments that impacted my inner self, because that was not going together. Like, what does my inner have to do with external? What does the external have to do with my happiness? Why cannot I generate my own happiness? Why do I need somebody to validate me so that I can be happy? So these questions came rushing towards me last summer, and I realized that I had a really nice time on Instagram. It really made life illusionary, in the sense that whenever I wanted to be happy, I would just post a really cool picture of me, I would get some likes, and I would sleep well. Why did I not have to work harder to get happiness? Why? So yeah, basically I needed to break out of that pattern, break out of that getting happiness from external, and seek it within. So I deleted my app, and I am genuinely having a really good time, because now whenever I want to seek happiness, I go and meditate, I go and create content, I go and play the guitar. I don't go on and post a picture and be like, ooh, wow, what a traveler. I don't want that. So yeah, I think this has been a beautiful journey. Even being on Instagram taught me a lot psychologically as to what I don't want to do in my life. What I don't want is like getting validation from outside, seeking very temporary happiness, very momentary happiness from that one post where I would be liked by my favorite person, you know. So yeah, I think these are the points where I was wait a second kind of, and I am genuinely having a great time. So if you are thinking about deleting your Instagram because you think it is actually mentally affecting you, it is causing anxiety within you, it is causing unnecessary drama within you, it is causing patterns of you deleting the app and then you downloading it again because you are so addicted to it, then you need to take a break. See how weird it is to be actually sharing your everyday life with people you don't even talk to, you know. When I realized that the people that I have on my Instagram, they are not the people that I can actually call if I'm in trouble. Like maybe 1 out of those 1,000 would pick up the, more would pick up the call, but then these are not the genuine friends of mine. So why am I sharing my life with them? And why am I making them the judges of my life, you know? So yeah, I am having a really good time, and if you want to delete and you are not sure if you should or not, if the mental game is real or illusionary, it is real. It does cause weirdness within you, and just try it out. Like do it for 2 weeks, see how you feel, and then decide. Like if you are feeling the same way, then go on using it, and if you feel better, then prolong that time and try to seek what you are seeking from Instagram from something else, from your hobbies, from your books, from your family, from your actual real friends who you see you know, or call. So yeah, that is my story with Instagram, and thanks a lot. It's really hot. So yeah, sorry. Thanks a lot for watching, and namaste.